And we're back to learn Inkscape in the year day 28. Let me show you how you can automatically create pie charts. There's an extension under render called Nice Charts. So if you don't want to create it manually, you can use this. It looks a little bit intimidating, but it's actually fairly easy to use. I'm going to explain the nice charts in future videos, but for now we just focus on a pie chart. When you check the live preview, you should already see it, but while you adjust it, it's a good idea to uncheck it. This is especially true for the data that you put in. For now, just make sure that under chart type pie chart is selected. Then you can adjust the labels, which is the text that's given, and you can show values. I'm going to show you that afterwards. Let's go to data. And here, if you check the live preview and you try to enter data, it's going to try to render it as you type it in. So it's a good idea to turn the live preview off. The format is given above. You need to separate your data pairs via a comma, then add right here the parameter, a colon, and then the value. And after you've done that, use the live preview, check it. Show values, you can see here simply adds the number value right next to the text, and the label can be adjusted here. So if you want to use a different font or color. Under charts, you can adjust the appearance of the pie chart. The first two, bar length and bar width, don't apply here because we have a pie chart. Then you have a pie radius, this is for the overall size of the chart. There's a bar offset, but the offset right here is important for us, because that's the offset between the text, so our label, and the chart. And then we've got options for the color scheme. So these are simple appearance options. Once again, I'm going to go over all of these details in a future video. I just wanted to introduce it here because in the last video I've talked about manually creating pie charts. So I think it fits to add it here if you don't want to create that manually. Once you've got what you want, don't forget to click on apply right here, and then you can close this menu. And you can see all of these elements are individual design elements that you can drag around and even delete. So if you don't want to have these small little bars right here, just select them, press the delete key, and they're gone. So if you just want to have a quick solution to create a pie chart, the render option right here, Nice Charts, is certainly the better option than doing it manually. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.